Did you know that you don't have to use Cricut Design Space on a laptop or a computer? Let's talk about all of the devices and apps that you can use with your Cricut machine. Using the Cricut Design Space app on either a desktop or a laptop computer will give you the full experience since all the design features are available. You can browse ready-to-make projects, see instructional videos, and even see projects that members of the Cricut community have shared. If you want to work from a mobile device, you can also use the Cricut Design Space mobile app. It works with both smartphones and tablets. When working with the mobile apps, the toolbar that you are used to seeing at the top of Cricut Design Space is now at the bottom of the screen. Under Action, you'll find controls for grouping, attaching, welding, slicing, and so forth. Under Edit, you'll find all the options to undo, resize, flip, and align your images and text. You can also tap Layers to see the Layers panel that is normally on the right-hand side of the desktop app. I hope that you are more comfortable now with all the different ways that you can work with Cricut Design Space. Don't miss all the great instructional videos that Cricut has for you so you can learn how to use your machine even better.